everybody, something a little bit different here. Going to be do some ammunition testing, and what it is, got these FX halos. A friend of mine whose M4 this is, he's decided that he wants to give them a go, so we thought we'd do a little video on them just to show any 30 cal users here. I don't think there's a lot in the UK, but and obviously around the rest of the world there probably is more, especially America. But going to give these 30 cals a go here. So a little bit about them. Been a long time coming. I think FX first announced that these halos were coming out probably about 4 years ago. So a fair bit of R&D miscommunication between the R&D department there and the sales lot, I think. But anyway, 30 cals are here now, more calibers to follow, I believe. The whole thing with these halos is that they're effectively pellets, but they are in a slug design with a slug profile, and the reasoning behind that is so that a lot of people get problems tuning for slugs. Myself, I've not had too much of a hassle, but some people really cannot get a tune. They cannot get these things to shoot great when they work well, but not so much the other way around. So these are designed so that people can tune them easier. That's the idea behind it. So what I've done here, I put out a gong there. That's currently at 100 yards. My mate doesn't want me to mess about with the tune on this gun too much. Reg pressure currently is 160. This is normally shooting 60 grain pro hunters at 970 feet per second. After a bit of playing around, I put the power wheel down to 7. I haven't touched the quick tune or anything else. It does have a tungsten hammer in, which is different than the stock version. I believe that tungsten hammer weighs about 12 grams, I believe. But other than that, this is effectively is a stock gun. So at the moment we're on, what were you there, power 7, and he's kicking these halos out. They're 46 grains, kicking them out at about 980. So I got that zeroed. He's using the Alpex 4K here. Got that zeroed, and we're going to see how they group at 100 yards. And then after we've done that, we're going to go and do what these slugs were designed for, and do a bit of pest control and stuff. And obviously it's a hell of a hollow point, as you can see there, hell of a hollow point on it, and they should expand well. So I'm going to give them a go now and see how they fare. Okay, there's my gong. Let's give it a ping. Yeah, 100 yards. Right. There's one. You can see, get my excuses in. Wind's there, kicking up a bit. Two. Three. 4. That's how cool that a group. Not a great group, but we'll go down and have a look, shall we? Okay, so let's have a look here. That there was my point of aim, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shots there. And I looked on, I've just done a measurement with the Ballistic X app, and I'll stick the little screenshot on there for you. It said 1.3 inches, so it's a bit windy, like I said, so I can get our excuses in, but I'm kind of happy with that. It's not a great tune, but for effectively these are pellets and it's gusting a fair bit there. I would say I'm pretty happy with that. It's nothing to sniff at, really, to be honest. It's not. I know on a good day I could probably get a lot better than that, and also tuning the gun would help, but As I said, my friend doesn't want me to mess about with it too much. It's his gun, so I, you know, go by with what he says. So what I'm going to do now is do a bit of pest control and see how it goes. As you can just see, one more thing here, you can see that's quite a pronounced hollow point there. They are dish based at the back there, so they're very pellety, as you know, as a word I made up. But these should offer quite a lot of expansion. So we'll give that a go and see what we get. So quite the capable little slug for the short time we've been using these. They've been proven to be pretty accurate. They take quite a bit of wind. Having to aim off for a few little shots, but not really worried too much considering the BC. I think it says 0.75. I think they're being a bit conservative with that, but giving it maybe some proper testing, and it might show a bit more of an accurate read on it. But I'm finding that these slugs are working very well, and yep, my mate's nodding. Yep, he's definitely going to carry on using these ones. So watching for some more videos, and thanks for watching this one.